Hello and welcome. If you're over 40 and you're tired of complicated workouts that leave your joints aching, you are in the right channel for this class. This yoga for beginners is made just for you, and in just 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to boost your metabolism and kickstart weight loss. So before we start, let me share with you briefly what helps me maximize results at 51 years old to get sustained energy and reverse aging. It all comes down to Forever Fit Bundle from Forever Strong. I use Forever Lean for metabolic support and clean energy boost during my flows, and Forever Slim to help manage those stubborn cravings and support my metabolism throughout the day. But my favorite is Forever Vital. It is a powerful 3-in-1 whey protein for muscle recovery, collagen for joint support, and colostrum for gut health and immunity. It is the secret to feeling great at 51. So if you are serious about seeing optimal results, I highly encourage you to try these products for yourself. Click the link at the top of the screen or go to the description below. So let's begin. We're going to start today in our Sukhasana easy pose. So sitting up tall, taking the hands to the knees, rolling the shoulders back. We're going to take a couple of breaths in here before we start flowing. Remember, we want to keep that breath and body connection throughout the whole class. So sitting up tall, rolling the shoulders back, lengthening the spine. Reaching the arms all the way up on the inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to take the right arm behind the back, left hand to the right knee, looking over the right shoulder for a twist. Maybe deepening the pose on your next exhale. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, take the right hand to the left knee, left arm behind the back, looking over the left shoulder. So we're detoxing the body, massaging the internal organs. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, take the hands behind the hips. Press the mat away, roll the shoulders back, lift up the hips, taking it back, bending here. And then slowly on your exhale, bring the hips back to the mat, reach the legs to the front of the mat, move the flesh out of the way. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward, keeping a flat back. Maybe micro bend the knees, taking the chest closer to your thighs. Now bend the knees. Take your hands behind the hips, pressing through the heels, keeping the inner thighs engaged so the inner thighs are hugging towards each other. We're going to press ourselves up, coming into a reverse tabletop. Shoulders away from the ears. Slightly engage the glutes, engage the core. And then slowly come back to seated. Bring the knees to the chest. Reach the arms forward. If this bothers your back, maybe take your hands behind the hips. Roll the shoulders back, bending the elbows. From here, you can start straining in the legs. Bend the knees. Take your hands behind the hips one more time. Come back into your reverse tabletop. Bring the hips back to the mat. Knees to chest. Reach the arms forward. Maybe take the legs all the way up, coming into your boat. Again, bend the knees, hands to the mat, press yourself up, reverse tabletop. Come back into your boat. Again, come back to your tabletop or reverse tabletop. One more time, come back into your boat, whatever your boat looks like. From here, we're gonna bring the feet to the front of the mat, and we're gonna come into a reverse plank. So we're gonna take the hands behind the hips, press yourself up, and look up. Come back to seated. Kick your legs back, coming into a tabletop. So remember, your shoulders are over the wrist and your hips are over the knees. We're gonna bring the knees a little closer together. We're gonna reach the right leg up. Either flex or point your toes. Keep it straight back, pressing the mat away, spreading all 10 fingers. Engage your core, your glutes. Bring the right knee to nose or knee to chest, round the spine. Kick your leg back, take your left arm up, maybe grab the foot, kick into your hand, release, bring it down. Other side, we take the left leg up, either point or flex your toes, engage your inner thighs, your glutes, your core. Left knee to nose or knee to chest, round the spine, press the mat away. Keep the core engaged. Kick your left leg back, reach the right arm up and back, grab the foot, kick into your hand. Release, bring it down. Tap your toes, tap, 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 tap. Press yourself into your downward facing dog. Sending the hips all the way back and up. Press the mat away, spread all 10 fingers. Maybe micro bend the knees, taking the chest a little closer to your thighs. So don't worry so much if your heels are not flat on the mat. Start coming high in your toes, walking your feet. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Bring both heels back to the mat. So bring your feet a little closer together and take your right leg all the way up to the sky. Come high in your left toes. Bring the right knee to nose or knee to chest, round the spine, press the mat away. Stacking the shoulders over the wrist. Keep the core engaged. Step your right foot in between your hands. If your right foot gets stuck, with your right hand, grab the foot, place it in between your hands. Back foot 45-degree angle. Find your balance and then come all the way up into your warrior one. Stacking the right knee over the right heel. Your back foot is flat on the mat, hugging the mat with your left pinky toe. Taking the arms by the side, shift the weight onto the right leg. We're coming into a warrior three. Either step your left leg forward and then come up, or come all the way up from your warrior one into your warrior three. Find a point for you to center your attention to. That's called wristy point. We're spreading the toes of the standing leg. Micro bend the right knee. Square your hips, so your hips should be facing down. Now bend the right knee. Straighten it. Bend it. Straighten it. Bend it. Straighten it. Bend it. Straighten it. Bring your left leg forward. We're gonna take the right hand to the left knee and look over the left shoulder. Look forward. Now bring the left foot to the mat. Reach the arms up. Slowly with control, we're gonna bend the knee, zip up the core. So make sure that your booty is not sticking out. Imagine you're sitting on a chair. Come high into the toes. Come flat. Come back up. Come down. Come up. Come down. Come up. Come down. Bring the left leg all the way up. So you use your core to keep the knee hugged towards the chest. Come back into your warrior three. Step your back foot down to the mat, coming back into a warrior one, sweeping the arms all the way up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, take both hands back to the mat, framing the right leg high on the back toes. Step your right leg back, coming back into a high plank. Maybe you bring the knees to the mat. Shift the weight forward, shoulders over the wrist. Straight back. Engage your core. Holding here for one more breath. Come back into your your downward facing dog. Take a moment to reconnect to your breath. Keep sending the hips up. Pressing the mat away. Now bring the knees to the mat. Flip yourself to lay down on the mat. Lay flat. Bring the knees to the chest. Give yourself a hug. Rock side to side. Take your hands behind the neck. Reach your legs all the way up to the sky. And we're gonna bring the right leg down. So the right elbow goes to the left knee. And we're gonna take the left elbow to the right knee. So do it at your own pace. We're gonna do 20 of this. Keep breathing. Remember, we inhale and exhale through the nose, softening the breath. We got this. We got 10 more. Five more. Two more. Now bring the knees back to the chest. Give yourself a hug round the spine, taking the forehead towards the knees. And then slowly release, arms by the side, feet mat width apart. And now windshield the legs in and out. We're gonna take the legs all the way up. For legs up the wall, taking the arms all the way up too. We're gonna make circles with the feet, circles with the hands. And bend the knees, grab the outside of your feet, knees facing out, happy baby. Keeping the sit bones on the mat, maybe rocking side to side. Now bring the sole of the feet together, pressing the feet towards the hands. We're gonna bring the elbows to the rib cage, close to the rib cage. So elbows to the side, knees facing out. Stretching the groins, the inner thighs. Release both feet to the mat, keeping the feet together. And we're gonna take the arms either by the side or take your left hand to your heart, right hand to your belly, letting the armpits breathe. Taking this moment to let it go. Give yourself a hug for showing up to your mat today. I really wish you guys beautiful holiday season. I hope you guys are ready to embrace 2026. Don't forget to check out my supplements Forever Strong. Link on the bio, link on the description. And if you want to practice with me, remember we have the new app, an incredible app that lets you practice with me, and I'd love to see you inside the app. But then you also have AI to give you instant real-time feedback on your practice. So you upload a picture, a video, and then AI will let you know what to improve, if there's anything to improve. And that way you can optimize your time and your practice. I love you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. Remember, I'm here for you, and let's build together a strong community of over 40, after 40. Love you. Have a beautiful day, afternoon, night, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys in the next class.